factorization today. What is factorization? Factorization is an algebraic chapter. It's similar to factors of arithmetic chapter which we had done during the primary school. Okay, factors. If you remember, in your primary school you would have done the chapter factors. Factors, let's give an example. Number 14. Number 14 appears in which all tables? Okay, it appears in table 2, 1, 7, then 14. So these are the numbers in which the 14 number comes when you write the tables. So these are called the factors of 14. What are these called? Factors of 14. Okay, now 7 2s are 14. Correct? So any two numbers, finding any two numbers, when you multiply those two numbers, you get the given number. This is called factors. Now same thing when I do with an alphabet. When I do with an alphabet, it will be called factorization. Example 14 a square b. Okay. Now 14 a square b. Let me take as 2a into 7a b. If I multiply this, I will get 14a square b. So I found two expressions when multiplied gives me the given expression. This is called factorization. So what is factorization? Factorization is finding two or more expressions when multiplied giving you a given expression. Okay, multiplied in mathematical term will be used as product. So two or more expressions, the product of two or more expressions will give you the given expression is called factorization. Example for this one only, two or more. So let's do more than one. 1a into 2ab into 7. Now if I multiply these three expressions, again I get 14a square b. Okay, easy. Now let's do some sums of factorization. So here I have written a sum. Okay, the first sum is x square into a minus b minus y square into a minus b plus z square into a minus b. How will I do it? What is the common number here? Common number is a minus b. A minus b is common here. So how will I find out? So I will write a minus b. I am dividing a minus b to this to find out the correct answer. It's a working done to find the correct answer. This and this is cancelled, this and this is cancelled, this and this is cancelled. What are left? So x square minus y square plus z square, these when multiplied to a minus b will give me the given expression. I'll explain again. I found out in this question, in this given expression, a minus b was the common term. So what I did, I divided all the terms with a minus b. The first term, second term and third term, I divided them by a minus b, my common term. After dividing, I got this answer. So when I multiply a minus b to this, I will get this given expression. Okay, so this is my final answer for this question. This is the way you do it. In algebra, please don't do the way I did for only the number 14. It is 7, 2, 1, 14. Don't do it this way because these are alphabets. Please use this method to find the correct answer, to never go wrong and always be correct. Okay? That was my working to get this answer. Next. Second sum. Second sum, this is one term and this is the second term. In the first term, what is common? A plus b. Second term also has a plus b common. So I will divide them by a plus b. Why we do factorization? We do factorization to make our sum simple and easier and quick to solve. Okay? This and this are cancelled. What is left? X plus y, x minus y. Now x plus y plus x minus y. I will remove the brackets. So it will be x plus y plus x minus y. Now plus y and minus y are cancelled. What is left? 2x. My final answer is 2x into a plus b. My first term that I used for dividing them, a plus b. So my final answer is 2x into a plus b will give you this given expression. Let's verify answer because it looks like, where's y? So let's verify the answer. Okay. Now, what was my final answer? 2x into a plus b. Now, x into a, xa, plus x into b, xb, plus ya, plus yb. I am multiplying them. Then this plus sign I'll write as it is here. Then again xa plus xb. Because this is minus y, I will write minus ya minus yb. Now I'll simplify them. Plus ya and minus ya cancelled. Plus yb minus yb is cancelled. What is left now? xa and xa. So it will become 2xa xb plus 2xb. So when I solve this given expression, my final answer will be 2xa plus 2xb. Let me solve this and see whether I get the same answer. 2x into a, it will be 2xa plus 2xb. This is my final answer. So do they match? Yes, they are equal to each other. So this factorization is correct for this given expression. Once you understand this chapter basics, this chapter is very easy. Now, in factorization, there is something called difference of two squares. What is the difference? Difference is nothing but subtraction. Squares, you know what is squares. Okay, I'll show you one. Do you remember, or if you have seen my earlier videos, I had taught you something known as a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. You can use this method, or this is the formula or method used for this one. Difference of two squares, okay, gives you this factorization. So these are two squares, the difference of them is giving you this factorization. Example 1a square minus 81b square. What will it be? 1 ones are 1, a, then this is 9b. How will I write it? So 1a plus 9b into 1a minus 9b. Understood how I got the answer? This is 1 into 1, a into a, 9 nines are, b is a. So 1a plus 9b into 1a minus 9b. So easy this is. This is another sub question or subheading of this chapter. So this is my sum on this subheading. What is common here? X into x square. Then 6 is not a square, so I am leaving this term. Then 9, 3 3s are 9, so plus 3. 4, 2 2s are 4. Y to y square. This is my factorization answer. X plus 3 minus 2y, because this is minus 4y square, and because it is a difference of 2 square. So minus 2y. Let's solve this and see whether we get this answer. Okay. X into x square. X, then x into 3 plus 3x. X into this minus 2xy, then 3x again plus 3x, 3 3s are 9, so I write plus 9, then 3 into minus 2y will give me minus 6y, correct? Yeah, minus 6y, correct? Now 2 into this will give me plus 2xy. I write it down, plus 2xy, then 2y into 3 will give me plus 6y, then 2y into 2y will give me minus 4y square. I have to solve this. X square as it is, I am writing down, plus, this will be plus, 3x plus 3 is 6x. Then this and this is cancelled because one is a positive term, the other one is a negative term. Okay, nothing. Then I write plus 9 down. Then again positive negative cancel. Then I take minus 4y square down. So when you see such questions, please don't get confused. See that you have squares here and use this method. Okay? What is 6x? Nothing to worry. Find the factorization. After factorization, if you have time to verify and see that your answer is correct. Okay? Good luck. Thank you.